Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am bringing you a flavorful twist on the classic breakfast favorite. We are making a spicy coconut sambal mix upma. If you are someone who loves a bit of heat and the rich tropical taste of coconut, this recipe is definitely for you. It's quick, it's comforting and it's delicious change your regular routine. So let's start and see how to whip up this spicy delight. I will list all the ingredients and exact measurement in the description box below. First, let's make our flavorful base. Take a blender jar and add 1 chopped onion, 1 green chili and a clove of garlic. To this add 2 teaspoons of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1 cup of fresh grated coconut. Blend this into a coarse paste. Now transfer into a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Mix it well. And our spicy coconut chutney is ready. Place a pan on the stove and add 3 teaspoons of ghee and add 1 cup of semolina. Roast the semolina on a low heat for about 5 minutes. Then remove it from the pan. In the same pan, add another 2 teaspoons of ghee. Add 2 tablespoons of peanut. Add 2 tablespoons of cashew nuts. Fry them for about 2 minutes until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Then set them aside. Add 2 teaspoons of chana dal and 1 teaspoon of urad dal and 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, curry leaves and chopped onion. Fry for about 30 seconds. Add 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger, quarter cup of chopped carrots, quarter cup of chopped beans, 1 tablespoon of chopped green chilies. Fry for about 1 minute. Pour in 2 cups of water. And quarter cup of thick coconut milk and 1 teaspoon of salt. Bring this mixture to a boil. Once it is started boiling, gradually add the roasted semolina. Now fold in our prepared spicy coconut chutney. Give it a good mix. Cover the pan and let it cook for about 5 minutes on low heat. After 5 minutes, finally add the roasted cashew and peanut back in. This upma is much spice and more aromatic than other usual version. It's truly delicious breakfast. I hope you give this recipe a try. Don't forget to share your feedback with me. Thank you so much for watching my videos today. I will see you in the next one. Bye.